This video will go over what a risk assessor needs to know about the eQAPP in FUDSChem. It's important to ensure that incoming data meets project objectives. To do so, FUDSChem allows the UFP QAPP to be digitized into an electronic QAPP, or eQAPP. Historically, projects tended to create their hard copy UFP QAPP first, then digitize it. However, starting with the eQAPP can save time. It allows the contractor to generate several UFP QAPP worksheets directly within FUDSChem. These are found under Reports, UFP QAPP Worksheets. The worksheets automatically update whenever the eQAPP is edited, so they are always current. To create the eQAPP, the contractor chemist will go to Tools, Data, eQAPP Setup. The contractor will customize each of these tabs to meet project requirements. We'll look at the tabs that relate to the risk assessor. In the PALs tab, the contractor can set up their project action limits, or PALs. PALs may be a regulatory threshold, a risk-based concentration level, a reference-based standard, or a technological limitation. The contractor can choose from several source PALs to add to their project, such as the EPA limits. If the limits they need are not available, they can create a CSV file with custom limits. For more information, please refer to our eQAPP Custom PALs tutorial video, linked in the description. Next, FUDSChem can calculate Project Quantitation Limit Goals, or PQGs. PQGs must be less than the action limits for project quality objectives to be definitively met. FUDSChem can help ensure that PQGs are always less than the action limit. This is controlled using the rules in the right-hand column. There are several options for how to assign PALs and for how to automatically calculate PQGs. For more information on this tab, please refer to our eQAPP PALs tab tutorial video, linked in the description. Next, we'll talk about the PAL Associations tab. Here, the contractor will associate each PAL with one or more analytical methods. This triggers FUDSChem to calculate the PQGs for each analyte, based on the rules that were chosen. Note that the Analyte Limits tab houses the PQG values, along with the corresponding PAL source and PAL value. The contractor will also go here to enter the lab's reporting limits DL, LOD, and LOQ. For more information on this tab, please refer to our eQAPP PAL Associations tab tutorial video, linked in the description. A couple of eQAPP-related reports may be of interest to the risk assessor. Go to Reports, Environmental Setup Reports, and choose Regulatory Limits by Analyte. Fill out the drop-downs and click View Report. This report shows every PAL available for a given analyte. It also notes if any analytes within the project do not have any PAL options. For more information, please refer to our Environmental Setup Reports Overview Part 2 video, linked in the description. Next, let's go to Reports, Environmental Setup Reports, Regulatory Limits Comparison Worksheet Format. Choose the project and click View Report. This report allows us to compare all PAL options to the lab limits for our project. This can be helpful when deciding which PALs to use. For more information, please refer to our Environmental Setup Reports Overview Part 2 video, linked in the description. Once the contractor has finished setting up the eQAPP, they will return to the Project tab and screen it for any potential errors. For example, FUDSChem checks to make sure that limits are in the expected order, such as the LOQ being less than or equal to the PQG. Any issues will flag errors and require review. Therefore, working in FUDSChem early could help catch sensitivity errors before the UFP QAPP is finalized. When sensitivity errors occur, it is recommended that the project chemists and risk assessors discuss to determine any impacts on data defensibility. Sensitivity errors can be reviewed more closely by turning on highlighting in Worksheet 15. If sensitivity errors are deemed acceptable, then the core chemist can convert them to warnings. This ensures that the decisions are documented and allows the contractor to move forward with the eQAPP. This is done using the Convert Errors to Warnings button in the Project tab. For more information, please refer to our eQAPP Change Errors to Warnings self-serve video, linked in the description. Don't forget to subscribe to the FUDSChem YouTube channel for more tutorial videos. All of the tutorials and playlists mentioned during this video are linked in the description below. Lastly, if you have questions or comments, feel free to contact us at fuds.support@synectics.net. Thank you.